come back to the schematic, and if I zoom into the triplen correction part, you will see that this portion is actually an adder. So what is it doing? Now there is this diodes, and the inputs are the references, the three input reference waveforms, and this will take out the top envelope, and this circuit will take out the bottom envelope. So this minus this, so this is positive, this is negative, so I can add here along with the triangle. I will then scale it, invert it. I will get the triangle waveform plus x minus y by 2. So this point would be the corrected triplen. In fact, that is what I have actually used for doing the offset shifting. So that becomes the triangle for actually shifting the offset a bit high. Another triangle, you obtain the triangle low by shifting the offset low, but the input I am using is the triplen corrected triangle. So this triangle is used for getting a triplen corrected triangle, and the triplen corrected triangle is used to create two triangles, one up and one down, and that is used for comparing with the op-amps with the modulating signal, and then you get the PWMs. Now we can try simulating this and see the waveforms at various points. Observe that as before, I have here edt01.sub, which links to the various models. The op-amp model is also within that. Now let us go to the terminal, and then I will use gnetlist to obtain the svpwm.net file from the schematic file. So I now have the netlist available with me. svpwm.car file, important. So I'm doing a transient analysis. It is including the svpwm.net file, which got just generated, and then I am as usual having some control statements. I'm setting the background color to white and the foreground color to black, and then initiating run action once I go into the environment. So this I will do. I will close this and then go back to the terminals, NgSpice svpwm.car. So it will go in and execute the svpwm circuit. The whole entire circuit will be executed. Now let us plot. What do you want to see? Now let us see whether this triangle is generated. There is a node I have, NTRI and NTRI3. This is the triplen compensated, and this is the original triangle. So let us go in there and then plot NTRI and NTRI3 triplen with third harmonics. So if I blow it up, you should see, let me take a very small portion because this is the carrier. So you see that one is the constant one, the red one is constant, that is our original triangle, and the blue one is gradually increasing, and that is the triplen compensated one. So let me quit that. Let us now see in the A arm, NA and NA bar. These two we can see the dead time effect. So we can go to the NgSpice environment and plot that and look at a very small portion, expand that. So you can see already that there is, of course, these are display times. If I increase the number of display points, you will get much sharper waveforms. Effectively, there is a portion of the time there is no overlap, and that is due to the shifting of our triangles, giving that small offset, the two triangles, one up and one down. I have included two filters here, one taking from this output NA and other taking from NAB, passed it through a simple RC filter, just to have a look of what is the kind of waveform that is there, what is the modulating waveform. We have introduced the triplen. Does it also have that triplen harmonic in the waveform? Then I have executed it, and then I would like to show you the plot of, observe that this is NLA and this is NLAB. So I will subtract that and then take NLA minus NLAB. So you see that it is containing the triplen portion, the flat topping effect. So the fundamental would definitely be much higher, and then because of the introduction of the triplen, there is this flat topping, and because of the diodes that we have introduced, there are some nonlinear effects which has popped in, but in practice these things will be there, nonlinear effects due to non-idealities of the components. So in this way, SvPwm can be accomplished even with in the analog domain using op-amps. I will share this schematic NgSpice file set with you. You can work on it and then try to get more insight with SvPwm.